Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what is the best eSIM that you can get when you want to travel to South Africa, and also how you can activate it. And in this video I'm going to guide you through the whole process. So the first one that I definitely recommend to check out is Maya Mobile. You're going to have a link down below in the description with the discount and everything. And here I'm going to write region name South Africa. So here you can have South Africa eSIM, and there are two ways how you can do it. The first way is that you would get a traditional SIM card, or what you can get is you have an eSIM that is going to cover everything for you, so you don't have to get to the store and all of that. And let's say that you want to go to South Africa for 15 days, and here you can have South Africa eSIM, and I see right here 15 days, 10 GB of data, $27. When you would press here activate now, then you're going to see that you're going to get also 10% discount from me, and you're going to have the starting date, when you want your day to plan to start, how many days you want, and then you will click review and pay. Two things before we're going to go further and you would pay: definitely check the coverage and find South Africa or where you want to travel, and look at this. Check where do you actually want to go and if you can have the coverage right there. So I know that I would go to Durban, and I would go also to here, a beach hall. What is that? So you know that you're going to get data right there, and that it's going to work well. So that's something that I like to do, is to actually check the coverage when I want to travel, if the Maya Mobile is going to have the coverage there. Then go to help and check the eSIM compatible phones to check actually if your phone is compatible with eSIM. If it is, good for you, then I definitely recommend to review and pay. And then you're going to get a QR code to your email. So you're going to activate it, and you have to scan the QR code with your phone. And when you're going to scan it, you need to activate the eSIM card. To activate the eSIM card, it's super simple. I also made a tutorial for that down below in the description that you can check out on how you can activate it. And that's pretty much it about the process. It's not difficult, really easy. And if you're going to need any help, Maya Mobile got great support. The another way how we can do it is using Airalo. And when I'm going to write here regional eSIM, and then you're gonna have, let's say, South Africa. I'm going to find right here, and here you can have 1 GB of data, 2 GB, 3 GB, 5 GB, or even 10 GB of data. It really depends how much data you need. And let's say that you want to have 10 GB of data for $26. Here for 30 days is $25. So the pricing is really similar. Also the network too. So it doesn't really matter if you're going to choose, Airalo, or if you're going to choose Maya Mobile. They are both reliable and really good. So if you're going to have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. I'll be happy to help you, and have a great day, and goodbye.